Welcome back to the Opel Monza 3.0 GSE Restoration, Part 3. This time, it's the valve cover. At first, it doesn't look too bad, but the years have left their mark. I start with sandblasting, the surface comes alive, the metal is clean again. Then, I apply special paint that, when heated, creates a textured finish. Finally, with the red detail added, the cover is completely transformed. It's no longer just an engine part, but a highlight that will define the Monza's character. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.